Hello everyone. Today's recipe is a delicious Turkish pie with meat and vegetables called the Turkish pide. Let's start. To make Turkish pide, firstly we will start by making the dough. I'm using a food processor here. You can also do this by hand. I'm adding 1 cup of lukewarm water to the bowl, to which we will add 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we wait for 2 minutes. Our 2 minutes are up. Now we will add an egg to this mixture. Next we add a mix of half a cup of lukewarm milk and half a cup of yogurt mixed together. Now we add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now to this we will add 5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now we are gonna mix all this together till we get a smooth dough. See how everything is coming together? Well, now that's all mixed together. We are gonna bring everything to the center like so. Now to this we will add 1 more tablespoon of olive oil, and we are gonna knead this for 3 minutes in the food processor and say for approximately 5 to 7 minutes by hand till it is nice, smooth and soft. See, this is what we want. See how stretchy it has become. Now once that's done, see, it is not sticking to the sides. Now we are going to cover this up and let it rise or double in size for 1 hour. Now while our dough is rising, let's make the pie filling. Now to a hot pan, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, to which we will add our mutton mince. I am using 500 grams of mutton mince here. Let's break that up a little. Now to this we will add salt as per taste. Give it a nice mix. And now we are gonna brown the mince till it is 75% cooked and the water is reduced. See how nicely the mince has browned and all that water has reduced. Now at this point we will add 1 large onion chopped. Give it a mix and we will cook the onion just for 1 minute or till the onion turns a nice transparent. See, now that's done. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix and we'll fry this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Next we will add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 cup of diced capsicum. You can use any color you want. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes. Now give this all a nice mix. Now to this we will add 3 tablespoons of sweet red pepper paste and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. If you don't have sweet red pepper paste, then just use 5 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now give this all a nice mix. And now we are gonna cover this and cook this on a low flame for 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes are done. Let's have a look. Yes, that looks perfect and smells delicious. Let's give it a mix. Yes, the vegetables are nicely cooked. Now let's turn off the flame. Cover it back up and set it aside to cool down completely. Now look at our dough. It has been rising for 1 hour and has doubled in size. Now we are going to sprinkle some dry flour on the counter, just a little, not too much, so that when we take the dough out of the bowl, it doesn't stick to the counter. Now flour your hands and working it gently, we are gonna pull it outwards and we are gonna roll it into a cylindrical shape. See, like so. Now we're gonna cut it into even sized portions. This much dough will make 9 to 10 Turkish pides. Now we take a portion and by folding it in, we are going to roll it into a smooth ball like so. Now let's make the pide. Take a dough ball and sprinkle a little dry flour over it. Spread it out a little and gently roll it outwards into an oval shape. See, like so. Sprinkle some more dry flour, turn it over, pull it outwards. Now that's done. Now we are gonna fill it with the mince and veggie filling that we made earlier. Add a generous amount of it. Don't overload it. Now we are gonna just bring the edges inwards. See, like so. We're gonna bring the corners together, twist it, pinch it off. Again, bring the ends together, twist it and pinch it off. There. And that's done. Now we are going to gently lift it and place it on a baking paper lined baking tray. Our pides are ready. I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese to a few of these. Now this is completely optional. You can make many variations of these. Some people even add egg and cheese. All the variations are delicious. I'm making some plain and some with mozzarella cheese. Our Turkish pides are ready to bake. We are going to bake these on 180 degrees Celsius on the middle rack for 15 to 20 minutes. Our Turkish pides are ready and fresh out of the oven. Look how beautifully they have baked. Look at the even browning on the crust, and look at the filling, the melted mozzarella cheese. Delicious, just delicious. Can't wait to eat them. Now we are going to cover these up and let them rest for 5 minutes. The reason for doing this is so that the crust doesn't go hard and dry. Our Turkish pides have rested for 5 minutes. Let's serve them up. Yes, the crust is nice and soft and smells amazing. Look how beautifully they have browned. Let me show you from the bottom. Look at that crust. Well, there you have it. Turkish pide or Turkish pies with a mince and veggie filling. If you liked my recipe, please comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do make it at home, enjoy it with your family, friends and your loved ones. Until we meet again with another delicious recipe, this is Iram wishing you all a safe and fabulous week.